Hello guys, I'm Simon404 today. Today in part 8 of our Vim tutorials, today I'm going to teach you about 3 different modes of Vim: visual, visual line and visual block mode. They sound or look similar, but they have different purpose. To get into the visual mode, we press V, and you see at the bottom there is the sign visual. Visual mode, you can move your keys, you can move your directional keys and select as much as you like. Now, since in the earlier video I have told you how register works, now the selected portion of your word you can save in a particular specific register. For now I want to save this selected part in my register. I would do register. To access register, I would do double quote key, register name A, and I will just yank it. Now I put that selected part in the register A. Now if I get to insert mode and use Ctrl R and A register, whatever was saved in the A register, I can simply paste it. Another mode is visual line mode. For visual line mode, you can simply press uppercase V. It takes you to the visual line mode. What visual line mode is, it just treats its selection for every single line. That is, you cannot move left and right key. You can move up and down key, and it completely selects the entire line when you are moving. This is just the extended version. It's similar. If I want to save it in another register, say in B register, I would simply do it, access the register B, and I would just 11 lines, I just copy it. Now to paste it, I would simply get into insert mode, Ctrl R and register name V. So this would paste whatever I selected it. Now as you can see, there are a couple of lines, and what I need to do is I needed to make similar changes but to multiple lines all at once. In that case, I can use visual block mode. To get into visual block mode, I would simply do Ctrl V, and it lets me select the particular block. So now this is the block, and I can make certain changes here. Now to replace it with include, I would simply do access the register with the double quote, register name F and P. Multiple, you make changes in multiple line all at once. How much effort you would have to do if you were to type it one by one. This is another use of visual block mode. So you can practice it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, you get a little bit of familiarity with the visual mode in Vim. See you guys. Thank you.